What's up, guys? Me and the puppies. You can see Appa right there. Oh. I feel so bad because I think he gets car sick. I don't know how I can help that. If you know how to help your dog not get car sick, I mean, I roll down the windows every so often. Poor thing. Anyways, we're on our way to Louse Point Town Beach, and it's in East Hampton. I hope you're having a beautiful Saturday. It's really glorious here today. Even temperature-wise, it's quite perfect. I hope you're having a great day. I will see you at Louse Point Town Beach. It's not even the middle of November and Christmas carols are already playing on the radio. I find that absolutely amazing. Anyways, what are you doing for these holidays? And I can't believe I've not been here before. It's gorgeous. Love it. Okay, there's a tornado coming our way. I'm hurrying home because I'm actually 35 minutes away from home. Oh my gosh, it's already getting windy. All right, the sky's not looking good. That's definitely a tornado sky. And you know, I'm not from here and tornadoes scare me. This is not good. I do not want to be on the road right now. Oh, look at that car. How rude. People are driving like crazy. People are honking, which is like unseen here in the Hamptons. There's a police. Why is the police there? Is it really going to pull people over in the middle of a tornado? Stupid. Oh, there it is. Oh. I feel like I should I am going to stop here. Going towards Montauk right now. The last time I was in a tornado was that I lived in Holyoke, Massachusetts. I left work to drive back home, and I could see the tornado behind me at the distance in my rearview mirror as I was driving home. I always remember that. So scary. Well, it looks like things are getting back to normal because I'm seeing a little bit of blue skies over there and pink clouds. This is so funny. I mean, it's not. I did freak out a little bit. Oh gosh. And here I wanted to go meet the tornado. What is wrong with me? Goodness gracious, it got super freezing all of a sudden. And, well, obviously you just went through a tornado.